Hello everybody, this is Miss Nancy from the Clearview Library District. I am here to do story time and a craft with you. Remember that story time and a craft is every Thursday at 10 o'clock. You can look at it any time after that time that's posted on the Thursdays. Also remember that you can pick up a kit to do the craft with me, and you can pick those up for a full week before the story time airs. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with our song, our hello song. I bet you remember it, okay? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We stomp and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends it's story time. We clap and sing hello. Okay, well, we have a dinosaur story time for you today. And the book that we're going to read today is called Here We Go Digging for Dinosaur Bones. And this book is a Clell Bell winner for Sing. Clell is Colorado Libraries for Early Literacy, and they give an award each year for read, write, sing, talk, and play. So there's 5 books every year that get awards. If you're ever in the library and want to ask us to look up some of those, we can show you how to do that. They've got great books listed for you to check out. Okay, now this book has fiction and nonfiction all in one book. Fiction is the made-up part of the story, but nonfiction is the true facts about dinosaurs. It's got a little bit of both. It's kind of fun. Okay, now I am going to sing this book, and I'm only going to read the fiction parts of the book because otherwise it might take us a really long time. Okay? Here we go digging for dinosaur bones. Here we go digging for dinosaur bones, dinosaur bones, dinosaur bones. Here we go digging for dinosaur bones on a warm and sunny morning. Wouldn't you love to go digging for dinosaur bones? I would. This is the way we hike up the trail, hike up the trail, hike up the trail. This is the way we hike up the trail on a warm and sunny morning. This is the way we scan the ground, scan the ground, scan the ground. This is the way we scan the ground on a warm and sunny morning. Do you see which of the hikers has actually found something? Look really close. This one sees something sticking out of the ground, doesn't he? What do you think it is? A dinosaur bone? That would be cool, wouldn't it? This is the way we excavate, excavate, excavate. This is the way we excavate on a warm and sunny morning. Now, do you know what excavate means? What are they doing in the picture? They're digging up the bones and cleaning around them super carefully. Look, this one has a little pick, and this one has a brush. This one has a brush too. And this one is taking notes. So excavate means to dig things up, okay? Very cool. This is the way we sift through dirt, sift through dirt, sift through dirt. This is the way we sift through dirt on a warm and sunny morning. So they have a screen with a frame around it, and they can put the bone pieces that they find on that and then just shake it a little bit and the dirt falls out. That's pretty cool. This is the way we wrap our finds, wrap our finds, wrap our finds. This is the way we wrap our finds on a warm and sunny morning. Now, why are they wrapping them up so carefully? Oh, they're going to take them in the truck, and they want them to stay safe and not have anything get broken. Yes. Where are they going to take them, I wonder? Let's find out, okay? Okay. Oh, they took them to the laboratory where they can work on them. This is the way we clean the bones, clean the bones, clean the bones. This is the way we clean the bones on a warm and sunny morning. Look at all the ways that they're cleaning. They're picking and they're spraying water. Look, this almost looks like a dentist's drill and a brush to clean up all those bones. Maybe you can get a job doing that when you grow up. I would like that. This is the way we study bones, study bones, study bones. This is the way we study bones on a warm and sunny morning. So what do we have here? A microscope right here. And this one is measuring. See how big the bones are? This one is putting information into the computer. And this one is reading a book about what they're doing. Isn't that cool? That would be a really fun place to work, wouldn't it? This is the way we build T-Rex, build T-Rex, build T-Rex. This is the way we build T-Rex on a warm and sunny morning. So do you see what they're doing now? They're putting the bones back together so it will look like T-Rex looked in the prehistoric times. Wow, that's a puzzle, wouldn't it be? This is the way it bares its teeth, bares his teeth, bares his teeth. This is the way it bares its teeth on a warm and sunny morning. Look. Now, what did they have to do after they got the bones all put together? Then they had to build all the rest of the T-Rex, maybe with plastic or, I don't know, paper mache, and paint it and everything so it looks like he looked in prehistoric times. This one is not a real T-Rex. This is a model built on the bones that they found. It's probably in a museum, don't you think? Let's go digging for dinosaur bones, dinosaur bones, dinosaur bones. Let's go digging for dinosaur bones on a warm and sunny morning. And this book has some information at the back that tells about how scientists and archaeologists dig up bones and other things from the past and study them. So there's some really good information at the back of the book. Okay? Okay. And here is a little bit more information. So if you want to check out this book at the library after I check it back in, you would really enjoy going into more depth and reading more about it. Okay? That was Let's Go Digging for Dinosaur Bones. Okay? Okay. Now, I do have a rhyme for you. And did you have any dinosaurs with you today? Do you? I have 5. Okay? Here's my 5 dinosaurs. So you need to put up your 5 dinosaurs also. Okay? 5 huge dinosaurs looking fierce and mean. The first one said, I eat things that are green. The second one said, I hatched from an egg. The third one said, I have big, strong legs. The fourth one said, I fly through the air. The fifth one said, I give everyone a scare. Thump, thump came Tyrannosaurus Rex that day, and the other four huge dinosaurs ran away. Did your dinosaurs get away? Let's do it again, okay? 5 huge dinosaurs looking fierce and mean. The first one said, I eat things that are green. The second one said, I hatched from an egg. The third one said, I have big, strong legs. The fourth one said, I can fly through the air. The fifth one said, I give everyone a scare. Thump, thump came Tyrannosaurus Rex that day, and the other 4 dinosaurs all ran away. Okay, I hope you liked that one. Okay, we're going to do our goodbye song, but we're really not saying goodbye because you know we're going to do our craft first, okay? But let's sing our song and then we'll do the craft and then we'll really, truly say goodbye. Okay, are you ready? Wave high, wave low. I think it's time. We've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, la, 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 and wave your nose. Wave your knees, wave your lips, blow a kiss with fingertips. Wave your ears, wave your hair, wave your belly and derriere. Wave your chin, wave your eyes, wave your hand and say goodbye. Okay, now we have a really fun kit today, and it's all about dinosaur bones, okay? So let's look in the kit. Remember to pick yours up, okay? Now, first we always look at the papers that are in here. And this one is about Tails and Tales. And this is our summer adventure program. We hope you're doing it. It's lots of challenges, lots of reading, lots of prizes, lots of fun programs. So please be watching the calendar and please sign up for Tails and Tales. Okay? Okay, the second paper that's in here, and I tell you about this one every time, is Snap a Pic. Adults in the house, we love, love, love seeing pictures of your kids during story time and doing their craft. So if you can snap us a picture and send it to me, Nancy at clearviewlibrary.org, or you can tag it on social media, Clearview Library. We love seeing those pictures, okay? Okay. Now, this is kind of a funny kit because in the kit is a piece of black paper. And there it is. And it's got a dinosaur drawn on it. So you can see the lines because it was drawn in white. Okay? Now, do you remember what kind of dinosaur this is? Isn't this a brontosaurus? I think this was my favorite dinosaur when I was a kid. Okay? And you are going to take scissors and cut this dinosaur out. Okay? And when you get all done cutting it out, it's going to look something like this. Okay? Now, if you need help from the adult in your house to cut it out, that's fine. But if you want to do it yourself, that's fine too, because cutting is really good for our hands and helps us get ready to write when we cut and we strengthen those fingers. Okay? Now, the other thing that's in your kit is a whole bunch of Q-tips. But these are not Q-tips today. These are bones. These are dinosaur bones. Okay? So to do this, you will need the scissors to cut out your dinosaur, and then you are going to need glue. We always need glue, don't we? Okay? I use craft glue because things will stick really good. So after you have your dinosaur all cut out like this, So you're ready. You are going to make dinosaur bones or skeleton on your dinosaur. Okay? Now, if you notice, my friend Shannon, who did this sample for us, she broke some of the Q-tips in half to use them for some of the shorter bones. And it looks like this is a little bit like ribs, isn't it? And neck bones. So you can use those Q-tips and make dinosaur bones on your black shape. Okay? Some of you will have a brontosaurus like mine, and some of you will have a T-Rex. Okay? So you spend some time working with those bones and see if you can make a good skeleton for our dinosaur. Okay? Now I would recommend that you sit it down and that you lay them on and break them and experiment with different sizes. And then when you get it all laid out on your plane shape, then you can start gluing them on to look something like this or nothing like this, and that's okay too. Okay? Okay. I hope you have fun doing our craft today, and I hope you have a good week. I hope to see you in person at the library or at some of the summer programs. We have a lot going on, so please come see us, okay? Okay, see you next week. Bye-bye.